Hi Reapers! So today I'm just going to tell you a story because last March 8th was our Psych Day and it is an event for all of us psychology students. So within the Psych Day, we have what we call Psych Talentado where all of the psychology students will show their talent. And this was my first time directing and written a story for the flash mob. So we practiced for 2 weeks and this is the final result. I hope you like it.
So ladies and gentlemen, I am proudly to introduce our representative of the Psych 1D, our hardworking and multi-talented Jared Bonstolo! Jared, let's give him a round of applause!
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jared Bonstolo from AB Psych 1D. 1D, Pagyan! At ngayon po ay kakantahin ko po ang Babalik Sa'yo by Moira De La Torre. I hope you like it. Maestro, music please. Magigay naman kayo dyan! Sino man, hindi na.
Guys, so nagkita kung sinunado kitang limot ko. Guys, bali, gusto kong maging singer. Dulo-dulo ko man ang ayaw ko doon. Dulo-dulo ko. Dulo-dulo ko lang doon. So everyone, I'm very, very sorry to disappoint you. To my section, I'm very, very sorry. Sorry.
Wait! I can't understand you.
I can see the light that's waiting below. And I call on
Ipapakita ko kung sino ako.
Flowers! Sa laki, ikabong naman lahat.
one of the central themes of psychology is knowing your purpose. And you cannot know your purpose if you don't know the passion. In order to know your passion, you have to know your gift. According to our beautiful teacher na nag-teach sa amin, according to Eric Erickson, psychosocial development, one of the vital stage is the adolescent stage because it is identity versus confusion. So, gift coming from our talented. So, Mami,